Welcome back to another video with teacher Satya, guys. Now in this video, as you guys can see, you guys will be learning on how to solve exponential equations. Now let's get to it. Alright guys, so whenever we see any equation like this, I know it's a bit complicated, but it is not. Alright, so step number one, what we're going to do is we are going to transpose and have the same bases in the same side. Alright, so I'm going to move this base of 5 to the right hand side and then base of 3 to the left hand side. Alright guys, so what will I have here? I'll have 3 to the power of 2x minus 3 over with 3 to the power of 4x minus 5 is equal to 5 to the power of 2x plus 1 over with 5 to the power of 4x minus 1, right guys? So 5 to the power of 2x plus 1 or 5 to the power of 2x minus 1. That's step number one. Now the next one, what we're going to do is we are going to use law number 2 of the laws of exponents to solve it. So what will we have here, guys? So we will have 3 to the power of 2x minus 3, right? And minus with 4x minus 5, right guys, using law number 2, and which is equal to 5 to the power of 2x plus 1 minus with 4x minus 1. Alright guys, now keep in mind that this minus in front of the bracket goes with all of the terms inside the bracket, right? So let us break the bracket now. So we'll have 3 to the power of 2x minus 3 minus 4x plus 5, right guys? And here's where many students make mistakes, so don't be one of them. And this is equal to 5 to the power of 2x plus 1 minus 4x plus 1. Alright, minus 4x plus 1. Now let us add up the like terms, boys and girls. So what do we have? 3 to the power of 2x minus 4x is going to give us negative 2x. And then minus 3 plus 5 is going to give us plus 2, right guys? And this one is equal to 5 to the power of negative 2x and then plus 2 also. Alright, negative 2x plus 2 also. Now let me continue here. Now if we take a look at it, guys, we see that the exponents are the same, right guys? So in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to transpose everything to be on just one side. All right, so what will I have here, boys and girls? So I'll have 3 to the power of negative 2x plus 2 over 5 to the power of negative 2x plus 2, and this is equal to 1. This is equal to 1. On the right hand side we will have 1, right guys? Because whatever we have on the right hand side, we are multiplying it with 1, right? So now what do we have here, guys? So if you take a look at it, the exponents are of the same value, right? So in this one we can follow this country. So a to the power of m over b to the power of m, right? Like this, m is equal to a over b to the power of m, right guys? To the power of m. Now this one, what I'm going to write it as 3 over 5 to the power of negative 2x plus 2, right guys? And for the right hand side, now we have a 1. Now think what we can do such that the equation doesn't change, but then we have a 1. Now if you take a look, if you know the laws of exponents, we know that a to the power of 0 is equal to 1, right guys? A to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So this one we can write it as 3 over 5 to the power of 0, right guys? Because 3 over 5 to the power of 0 is equal to 1, right? We have done nothing, we have changed nothing in the equation. The equation is still the same. Now we have the bases are equal. So when the bases are equal, the exponents will also be equal. So now we can solve for x. So what do we have, guys? Negative 2x plus 2 is equal to 0, right guys? Negative 2x is equal to minus 2. Negative x is equal to minus 2 over minus 2. Therefore x is equal to 1. Alright guys, therefore the value of x in this equation is equal to 1. Alright guys, now I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, do not forget to hit on that like button and consider subscribing, guys, as that will help me a lot. Alright, and if you want me to do any specific video, comment below, guys, and I will look into it. Alright, until next time, guys, have a nice day.